What's the meaning of CSYS? CSYS. CSYS.
CSYS. CSYS. CSYS is an acronym that can have different meanings depending on the context. In the engineering field, CSYS could refer to a coordinate system used to define positions and orientations in space. This system typically consists of three axes that intersect at a common point, with each axis representing a different dimension. In the medical field, CSYS may stand for chronic systemic yeast syndrome, which is a type of yeast overgrowth in the body. Regardless of the context, CSYS is an abbreviation used to represent a specific concept or idea.